Insia. Commander 6. Kano said yes.
Yama hunyina achi, yama hunyina kwa bede Yankopon ase na otwe so de free yen. Ye na otwe e ba na wie ye. Next week ye ko new month more. Another so old month name. Okay, to next week say me run new month na ye twa ni aja akwa chele. Akatwa ade de wo mu no say 200 cedis crown. The first day that be man no feel so be chele. As I also ko de ko track and pisk bean. Na JB fa gugu so. Na brebre na nya do 10th, oko 15th na we share be show no. Oh, that was a hey. Says getting yes can be a. But you be kakra krasa ni asom ne de ko. There be because the salary structure in Ghana is a challenge. Yakatwa enye. Yakatwa won se momam enye kra. The other said we need to find a way to do something about it because there's nothing you can show for it. Maybe 15 years. We pay people only to eat. 2 person to me a Japadie bi a you saw ball laske. Me waka man for antias me so my we go be from head to toe. Ye kasa ye audit obia salary vis-a-vis your expenditure. Krofo be twa magu oguruma no. Ya ka twa nsam nye. Ya so ya no dendend ne etu corruption ase. Ya ka twa nsam nye. Penfo hwe ne anya ho bibi. Why? Cause ye nwen metia me say. They make can say the only difference between some of the salaries we pay here and there is the value. The value of scanning the moment. Now, come out inflation at about 24% crowd to actually. Dollar to see the crowd my. Akwaji bank loan interest in number 23 to 30%. Now that's surviving. A hand to mouth. One Ufira betu. Me did the acquisitions here. Asem Yi Di Ka and I do so the person ma be 1,000 cedis medical catro on Sika 1,000 cedis star 281 hash select option 4 na me 1,000 cedis is here dial star 281 hash obi na ebo dey here no we nya Android phone kwa ukuta yam kra betimi aye star 281 hash star 281 hash no select option 4 o select option 4 Utwagum sa ba gwe betwa bi 5 cedis. Utwagum sa. Afi machine yes pick because I pick on number no nya 1,000. Me ba be 1,000 cedis. Quick one na man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ya de fe bi edema ya de suafo emba. Em se ya so ye de ho adanse aka wasem bia ka. Se. Enema bi wo no mu a, e bi sanitary pad. Yeah, you classify no as a luxury tax. So, baby, a sanitary pad in our tax category, no, I just said a Wakra Rolls Royce, Eba Ghana. So you're paying tax between 15%, 20%. Because it's a luxury. Then you do come back and kawasa. And then my been to be in school. Because some bunin sa isoko isu amos and was here na betimi afa a show school bag na say nanam for s nti man na school na woko no so as part of NDC 2024 manifesto promises am ka so mbo meche sanitary pad ama you a school from primary to secondary na eye aban schools no obi etimi akakra de asoso no ho sra bia bosum ne so a munya bia betimi atwatwa ho. And then no man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mama do say yo. A man says buying a year about 292.4 million Ghana cedis. Here better sanitary pad actually amofra about 2 million. Share His Excellency John Dramani Mama at the launch of the free sanitary pad program no ase.
I stand before you to officially launch the National Sanitary Pad Distribution Program, a promise we made and are proud to have fulfilled. This initiative is more than just the distribution of sanitary pads. It is a clear declaration that no girl in Ghana should miss school because of her menstrual period. Far too many of our daughters, our nieces and sisters have missed out on education, not because they lack the academic intelligence and the flair or the will or the ambition, but simply because they lack access to proper sanitary products. Research has shown that girls can miss up to 5 school days each month, amounting to nearly 40 days of schooling a year. This is not just a statistic. It represents a young girl falling behind in class, losing her confidence, and struggling to catch up because of what is a natural biological process. This reality is unacceptable. In Ghana, where we aim for progress, equity, and justice, this must not continue. Menstruation should never be a reason for exclusion or shame. It should not be a barrier to education or self-achievement, and every year. To our parents, I say, you have carried this burden for too long.
Okay. That's His Excellency John Dramani. Mama, I feel what my pictures we won't say. See a chair sanitary pad yama ya eco school. Kama. But the see no person your topic now is simple. The free sanitary pad distribution program no a good policy. But no crow say it's not sustainable. And yet sustainable. Let's find a sustainable way in helping Yemano. Let's find a sustainable avenue. Yes, where are you good? And when you hear until see a benya the real thing part to deal with the challenge, where are you good? At least me some kakra. But it becomes a ritual for government of Ghana. Say every year we're going to spend more than 200 million Ghana cedis. Say the Koto sanitary part and sustainable. Or me and Jebe free IMF ase. Now from Kwame Nkrumah pens be pim sabre free IMF ase 7 days kasmai basa. Or maya ye free IMF ase asia. Ni esi kasmai basa. Nye sustainable. And sustainable. So Mr. President is good. Now for the start we are doing this. Now for a start, at least we are keeping something. Say the ya mayambe to me ako school na NGA aba. But no crepa, Mr. President, the woman yes say. Untimi sustaining no. Untimi. Now, mame kenofrata video credit to UTV. Ora kenofriata akwa mama 2024 budget here. Kasa we say taxes are eda local production houses are a year sanitary pad of Ghana no. Jeji and the free one. Here's our video. Kenofrata.
To extend, Mr. Speaker, the zero rate of VAT on locally manufactured African prints for 2 more years. Mr. Speaker, to waive import duties on import of electric vehicles for public transportation for a period of 8 years. Mr. Speaker, to waive import duties on semi-knocked down and completely knocked down electric vehicles imported by registered EV assembly companies in Ghana for a period of 8 years. Mr. Speaker, to extend zero rate of VAT on locally assembled vehicles for 2 more years. Mr. Speaker, to zero rate VAT on locally produced sanitary pads. Mr. Speaker, to grant import duty waivers for raw materials for the local manufacture of sanitary pads. Mr. Speaker, to grant exemptions on the importation of agricultural machinery equipment and inputs and medical consumables, raw materials for the pharmaceutical industry. Mr. Speaker, a VAT flat rate of 5% to replace the 15% standard VAT rate on all commercial properties will be introduced to simplify administration. to extend, Mr. Speaker, the
Second
zero
year
rate.
encore and Fama UTV4 or Madam Manessa a cancer video. Now you see. Way, yeah, 2024. And yes, tax that's soon in but then let's do some of the price and Pajo I say rich ones I can't wait to me that also near let me by price and more for sanitary parts anyway soft care 20 Ghana 20 Ghana that per wedding penny for dear and now soft care extra long I'm saying 22 okay so 20 Ghana and your long sanitary pad with wings 18 Ghana ultra day night sanitary towels and sanitary pad 20 Ghana and now always sanitary pad 25 Ghana we say we don't know so simple and now we say day noble girl sanitary pad plus 5 panty liners and say 16 Ghana and I want extra smooth sanitary pad plus 5 mini pads and say 16 Ghana. So the issue is say price no enye or say price in timber for more. So Mr. President, maybe we can have a second look at say this is what the NPP government did. Abraham free abem. Say to me implement it, fine. You to me implement it. According to me, first to me implement it. Amano et me we pay na other taxes be one more. You bet me money born up from ye pa. More especially if our target, say. Ye more na e ko ye schools no. And ye person ye ton money born back from pa more. Then we can decide that this local manufacturing to be a 1, 2, 3. Ye mom special incentives. Ebia 50% of our production or air quad ya school kwada. At the east of year 16 Ghana, ye ton be 8 Ghana. Because what I see in this free sanitary pad distribution program here say, Yanshi and this one by yes another ECG legacy debt. Say Yanshi ya and this one by yes ECG legacy debt. So this is the price and I may bobo so no. See Yanshi the ya. Eba by ye kakesie hanging on our albatross. Now say Yasako pay another tax. Say yeah, you have to my mom. And you was idea you see and yet idea energy sector for open for be and yet they can't have two boom. Yeah, we are still a young fin, your coffee tax be a friend Esla. Say energy sector levy. And you have a sabbath at in there. Me and Conco drew on them. You go for 2 mamma to you, you bet me in there. You bet me in there. Sa taxes na Google pad so no. Especially local manufacturers no. You will put you bet me assassinate down be more. The Minister of Finance, honorable case at forcing. Let's do it today. Because I'm telling you, sir, spending over 200 million Ghana cedis on sanitary pad and yes sustainable. Umi and that yet to me. And yes sustainable. And now no free senior high school here come. Let them pay. Alphabet me a chair. Sanitary pad bounce here bossy. Now sanitary pad young could a free senior high school. Huh? Sanitary pad young could free senior high school. 16 cities. So Mr. President, let's not get there. You better go do some pensiona. You better go use as a cassette. You better tea a trouble near the Akogochia, sanitary pad a car, boy. Let's reduce the taxes now. Now local manufacturers didn't produce more. Now Buanembra from Enfamaye. I think this one will be sustainable. 200 million Ghana cedis, Debbie. I'm a chow, 1,000 cedis and I'm a Konabe for Trase. Near Falcono and so. My live draw no. Weber. It will be a so at star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Select option 4. Star 281 hash. Selecting option 4. Okay, eti what chadiati and a domino. Mama live draw na mencha 1,000 cedis CM. 85 4 3 2 1. Young Kopa 0246 952 star 0246 952 star. Me from it na say from person me fro. Me just have to count 1,000 cedis. bibia da na kwem worry ne big me sa one last 1000 be che pense but we ya it be patch and so betimi atwa star 281 hash no select option 4 twagum sa be di akwasinsia Asem Yi Di Ka ni pense mu eto aso